kindergarten friends. It's me, Mr. Campbell. Today, I want to teach you how to play a fun math game. It's fun, it's fast, and it will help you learn more about numbers. Here's what you need to play this math game. You need a piece of paper. You need a marker or a pencil, something to write with. You need a dice. And you also need a partner. So your mom or your dad would be great, or a brother or sister, somebody around your house to play with you. Let's see. Oh, I know. Hey, will you be my partner? I'd love to be your partner. Thanks for asking. Let me show you how to play this game. It's easy. The first player is going to take the dice. They're going to shake, shake, shake it, and they're going to toss down the dice. Let's see what number I get. Oh, 2's a small number. Now I give the dice to my partner and let them go. Okay, it's my turn. Here I go. Yes! 6 is the bigger number. I'm the winner of that one. Keep playing the game until one of the players gets 5 tally marks. Whoever gets to 5 the fastest is the winner. And then you can start over again. And that's how you play the game. Hey, thanks for being my partner today. That was fun. Hey, you're welcome. I had fun. I hope you had fun too. Bye. Bye.